Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're done, click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Now to add an audio file, hit Files and look for your audio one over here. You can do that by choosing audio at the top of recent files, accessing one of those apps, or tapping on those three lines at the top left corner and selecting one of those sources. After finding your file, just hold it and hit Select at the top right corner to attach it. In order to add a video one, hit Gallery section instead. Look for your video, and if it's recent, click on it over here. Then you need to decide if you wish to send it in form of Google Photos link or a low quality video. After you decided, hit Add at the bottom right corner. You can also click on Folders. Pick your video from here and click on it as well. Then select one of those options, but this time hit just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!